I don't want to use the word sizable, but I do think the momentum has shifted certainly back in the direction of what Tom is specifically talking about. You've had a very clear two-day technical reversal back higher, Scott. I think what that means for the viewers is you're sitting tight, you're holding serve, you're staying invested. I watched the show yesterday. I'll credit Josh Brown. I thought his point on corporate buybacks was excellent. You're actually seeing a very strong surge in that. We now have that at all-time highs. Consumer spending remains incredibly strong. So the positioning, I think, as you look forward here is you want to stay invested. If there's particular stocks that maybe are going to decline to the levels where you think the fundamentals warrant stepping in and buying it, one of those names would be CrowdStrike for me. You know, a couple of months ago, I got out of that. I'm looking at CrowdStrike with it down here at 200 and have not pulled the trigger just yet. But I still think you're looking for opportunities, not the exit.
Oh, wow. OK, so since you went there, let's stay there, because we've been thinking a lot, talking a lot about those kinds of stocks, not necessarily just CrowdStrike, but a lot of the names in the Cathie Wood universe, a lot of high valuation, high growth tech stocks, some, including most on the screen today, have suggested stay away, that you need to let those stocks come down more. I'm surprised to see you now saying, Josh, Joe, I'm thinking of Josh because Josh has been a CrowdStrike guy for a long time, that maybe now they've come down enough to get in? Is that what you're saying?
What I'm saying is that the innovation that these companies are providing is not going away. Yes, there's a valuation reset as we normalize monetary policy and you question when the revenue generation ultimately is going to come. But markets have a tendency when it resets and reprices valuation to take it to extremes. So when it's doing that, there are select companies in that environment I want to buy. Do I want to ultimately buy a Peloton? No, I think that's a stock that will continue to have challenges. Whether a Zoom video has the ability to come back, I'm not necessarily sure about that. But there are other companies, and I mentioned CrowdStrike as being one of them.
Let me see an intraday of Crowd, please. Go ahead. Keep going. My bad. I want to see the chart. Go ahead.
Got the chart up?
You can talk,
right,
though.
so
the chart will come up.
Let's do this. Let's do this, Scott. What I will tell you is that I'll buy CrowdStrike on the close today. I'm comfortable that the valuation reset has occurred, and it is met the moment here where fundamentals will once again matter for this company as it continues to provide the type of security that's so incredibly important right now in this economy. So on the close today, yes, I will buy CrowdStrike here and get back into that position.